everybody, this is Chef Nano. Today I have my special stuffed pepper stromboli that I came up with. I don't think nobody has a stuffed pepper stromboli that I've seen in any of the recipes, but I came up with this. Okay, so now what we have to do is stretch the dough, kind of, if you want to kind of make a square, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, here we go. Now stromboli, all you do is stretch the dough out, and then you can put anything. The most common, a lot of people put all kind of salami, cheese. You can put whatever you want on the inside. You can make a steak one. You can, whatever ingredients you want to put in the middle. And then what you do is you roll it, and then put it on a sheet and bake it. And I got a quick tip for you. Whenever you're using a cutting board, put a towel underneath there, and the cutting board won't move on you. Okay, so now we transfer it onto, it cooks good on parchment paper. So I put it on the pan with parchment paper. The ingredients in. So put a couple peppers here and there. I don't know the red one. And then the other one. Okay, so the peppers are in there. Put a little bit of, it's about a cup of mozzarella. Some people, you could put more cheese, you know. Some put sauce in there, but then it gets a little bit too liquidy. So that's on there now. Okay, here we go. Now I'm adding pepper jack. It's not really Italian pepper jack, but I kind of change it a little bit. I put 4 slices of the pepper jack on there, okay? And then just a little bit of olive oil, okay? And we take it and we stretch it over. Okay, and then we put the other layer of peppers. And I think I'm better off putting them face down. I didn't do the other ones face down. Yeah, okay. So now we put some more cheese on there. And it's about a cup, maybe a little over a cup. Okay, so then we take it, and before we roll it, I like to do, some don't do that, I like to take the ends, so nothing leaks out the ends, flip it over like that. There, that's flipped over. Now we take it, and we flip it some more, kind of hold it together, and then when you get to the end, then you take a little bit of olive oil. You take it and you flip it on top. There you go. So the final step is you got to make some cuts in there. And don't go all the way to the bottom. Just enough cuts where it's got room to breathe. Now we sprinkle a little olive oil on there. Rub it on there. Okay, and then we sprinkle some thyme on there. Some put oregano, you can put whatever you want on top. Okay, there it is, beautiful. Now we take it and put it in the oven, about 40 minutes, 375, and just wait. Okay, so there we have it. And I'm going to view it this way. You cut it in slices and then put it on a plate with some marinara sauce. And I'll sprinkle a little cheese on there. And it's delicious. Okay, here we go. Here we're going to cut one of my hair. Look at that. Don't that look good? Stuffed pepper stromboli. We'll put it this way. And then you put some sauce. You know, it's a nice big spoon. and you put some sauce on there. You cut into it like that. There we go. You can dunk. It's such a taste. It cools off real good. It's such a taste, the peppers with the dough around it. It's very good.